Agent skills are a really hot topic right now, and today we're going to see how to use them in GitHub Copilot. First, we can place the corresponding skills in the .github/skills folder of our code repository, or in the .copilot/skills folder under the user directory to make them available across all workspaces. In today's example, we'll start by using the Azure Foundry skill to retrieve user stories. Azure Foundry is an agent service on Azure that supports a wide range of data sources. For instance, it can directly connect to the various internal documents and company policies you normally store in SharePoint, instantly turning them into an exclusive knowledge base for your AI. It can also easily integrate with your underlying core business databases, allowing the AI to read and analyze your business data in real time. Currently, I've saved the user requirements as a Word document in SharePoint. Let's see if we can use the Foundry skill to fetch the desired user stories in real time. Once we have the user stories, we'll use the recently viral PPT skill to convert them into a presentation and see how it turns out.